calls my name. Shades of light dissolve in quiet flames. A hollow wind runs deep within my core. The silence screams, but I'm craving more. And I fall again into voids where echoes bend. Beneath the stars I chase my soul, a fractured pulse beyond control. Across my tired eyes. Dreams collapse beneath these endless skies. Every step resounds through the unknown. A fleeting spark, my heart's last home. Fading stars, the night unwind. A steady beat through fragile lines. In this chaos I find my place. Under fading constellations' grace. Break me down, lift me high. In your waves I'll touch the sky. Fading constellations glow. I'm alive where shadows flow. Shadows weave across my tired eyes. Break me down, lift me high. In your waves I'll touch the sky. Fading constellations glow.
Neon rivers, midnight skies, flashing lights behind my eyes. Baseline pulses takes control, feel it deep inside my soul. Heartbeats sync, the moment's near. Static whispers crystal clear. Let it rise, let it flow. Feel the rush, now let it go. Echoed voices call my name. Through the dark we burn the flame. Chasing waves, no slowing down. Lost in beats, we'll never drown. Silent moment, hold your breath. Feel the drop, defy the death. One last surge, no turning back. Midnight calls, we fade to black.